Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on color it on your Skype app. We go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Skype app. So all you have to do to just go up here, you click here on this picture here on app, then it's going to take you here in this window, and all you have to do now. So you just click here on settings, and you come to settings window here. So and you just click here on color here, then it's going to take you here in this window. So you just can click here on color add or color add here, and you come here to this sign, you would click, and like you say, it's going to show for your window like here this, and you here you add your phone number, and you click here on add number. It's going to turn with you on your Skype app. So that's all you have to do to turn on color add. So just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. So in here can you choose your country. I wish you know you I get it. That's all. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.